Well. You're looking to master the art of Pufferfish Pvp. But do not fear, for I, Michael Elderman, bring to you the Pufferfish Pvp tutorial! Now, the first technique is the puffer place. This is performed by looking at the ground and pressing right click. Now, the second technique is the hit puffer. To perform this, you're going to need to left click while aimed onto a pufferfish. Congratulations! You now should have everything you need to begin your Pufferfish PvP career. Good luck out in the 7 seas! However, information as good as this doesn't just come for free, so you'll best be subscribing!